to the sweetest, best, funnest, nicest person
in the whole world.
Happy birthday, darling.
Happy birthday.
Hope we can see you soon. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Shaina. Wishing you good health and happiness always. Keep singing, keep dancing, keep baking, and spread joy and happiness all around you. Once again, wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Shaina, here's wishing the fittest and the most gorgeous women I know a very happy birthday and a fabulous year ahead. You truly are an inspiration for me, and I'm sure many around for getting fitness to be a part of our lives, and thank you for that. Once again, a very happy birthday. Have a successful year ahead. Lots of love and a big hug to you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Shaina. Have a great day and year ahead. A special challenge for you on your birthday. Take care. Lots of love. Bye. Jump back.
Happy birthday, Shaina. Wishing you a happier and healthier life ahead. It's just great knowing you, and remain the wondrous woman that you are.
Hi Saina, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Saina. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Saina. Wish you a very happy birthday. I love you. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi Shaina, happy birthday to you. You are a wonderful human being, and I am a big fan of yours. Wish you all the happiness in the world.
Happy birthday, dear Shaina. Here's wishing you loads of love and happiness always. Keep smiling and shining, and may you keep inspiring us always. Take care. God bless. Bye.
Hi Shana, wishing you a very happy birthday. You are not only a fitness genius, you are such a kind and positive person I have ever met. I'm really glad to have you as my friend. Stay healthy, stay fit, and sending you lots of love and a big virtual hug. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Shaina. Thank you so much for always motivating us and inspiring us. Hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead. Hope to meet you soon.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Shaina. May God bless you with all the success in life. And missing the Zumba classes with you. Hope it starts soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Saina, happy birthday dear. Today is a special day for you, and you are very special to me. I am sending all my love, lots of love and lots of blessing and lots of kisses for you from Melbourne. You are a most wonderful, beautiful, energetic, kind, humble and lovely person I ever met in my life. Take care, enjoy your day. Bye. Once again, many happy returns of the day to the wonderful person. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shaina. Hope you have a great day and a great year. It's just amazing how you keep us motivated, even though I'm not coming to the class. But it's just, I'm seeing all your videos and all the messages that you keep sending us to keep us motivated. God bless you. Have a super great year.
Happy birthday! I'm really missing all the fun we were having in Zumba classes. I hope that it starts soon. Have a beautiful day. Bye. Love you.
Wish you very happy birthday, dear Shaina. तुम जियो 100 साल और 100 साल तक इतनी फिट रहना कि वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ देना, और उस दिन मुझे याद करना जरूर.
हेलो. दुनियादारी में हम थोड़े कच्चे हैं. दुनियादारी में हम थोड़े कच्चे हैं, पर दोस्तों के मामले में एकदम सच्चे हैं. दोस्तों के मामले में एकदम सच्चे हैं. हमारी सच्चाई सिर्फ इस बात पर कायम है. हमारी सच्चाई सिर्फ इस बात पर कायम है कि हमारे दोस्त हमसे भी अच्छे हैं. हमारे दोस्त हमसे भी अच्छे हैं. जीवन के रास्ते हमेशा गुलजार रहें. जीवन के रास्ते हमेशा गुलजार रहे. चेहरे पर आपके हमेशा मुस्कान रहे, चेहरे पर आपके हमेशा मुस्कान रहे। देते हैं ये दिल से दुआ आपको, जिंदगी में हमेशा खुशियों की बहार रहे, जिंदगी में हमेशा खुशियों की बहार रहे। हैप्पी बर्थडे शाइना, लव यू, बाय।
हैप्पी वाला बर्थडे शाइना, हमेशा खुश रहो, मुस्कुराती रहो, ये सारे दिल सिर्फ तेरे लिए।
Happy birthday to a great friend, inspiration. You're too good. Wishing you all the happiness in the world, Shaina. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Shaina, many happy returns of the day. I'm so sorry I couldn't be here because I'm in Jodhpur. But today on your special day, I hope you have a great time. And I just want to say you've been such an amazing woman. You have been such an inspiration to all of us in your Zumba gang, as well as you're such an amazing human being. You know, the love and the warmth that you share with all of us is something very unique. And that's what makes you so special. And I just hope that you are blessed with good health, wealth and wisdom and the maturity that you show when you are with us, and also the fun that you have with us. And I hope you never ever change. Just stay the way you are. Love you, Shaina.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shaina. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Shaina.
Hi Shaina dear, wish you many more happy returns of the day. God bless you with a good health, wealth and energy like this. Enjoy the day.
Happy birthday Shaina, wishing you all the very best and have a great year. Very happy to have you as a mentor and a dearest friend, and your inspiration and a role model to me. Love you.
Hi Rockstar, a very happy birthday to you. I still remember the day when we met first. Hema had introduced me to this Mallu's group, and we had planned to meet at the swimming pool. You just came out of the Zumba class. Man, was it love at first sight for me. Sorry Michael, there's no competition here. You're an amazing person, Shaina. A very beautiful person inside and out. May God bless you with all the happiness that you so deserve. And may this day bring upon your face a smile that will never falter for years to come. Once again, wish you a very happy birthday, sweetheart. Love you.
Happy birthday, Shiny. May you always keep motivating people to be fit and take care of themselves and their bodies. And may you always remain the kind and loving person that you are. God bless you. Mwah.